What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, I'm gonna give you a little update on the 454. It got some new wheels and a couple other little upgrades, but first I want to do a quick little unboxing with you. I've been ordering some stuff for the mini truck, so let me show you what I got. Alright, so most of this is for the new mini truck. I do have a couple little parts for the other mini truck and a couple other little random things I want to show y'all. So let me see if I can put the camera down somewhere, because I know I ain't gonna be able to open these boxes with just one hand. Alright, I can't really remember what I bought, so some of this stuff might be cool and some of it just might be random. I can't even remember, so let's see. This is the first box. I want to say this is the armrest. I ordered a armrest for the new mini truck, 'cause I think one of them is cracked. Oh, you know what? Never mind. This is the AC vents. On these older 93s and, well, I think 94 and below, the AC vents break, so order new. I don't know if you can see, it's not focusing. New vents for the AC, and it came with all of them. This right here, I'm pretty sure is my adapter for the other mini truck. And if you watch my, I think 2 videos ago, I ordered a new steering wheel. So I ordered this NRG adapter. So whenever I do get my mini truck back, I'll be putting this on there with the Momo steering wheel. This right here, I'm pretty sure is the dash mat. The dash is super cracked in the new mini truck. So it's just a maroon dash mat. I ain't gonna unfold it. By the shape of this is the armrest. I'm pretty sure it is, at least. So I bought this off eBay. Still real good condition. Honestly, don't even know what this is. I've been ordering stuff like crazy for both mini trucks. So this is the sun visors, already maroon, OEM. Actually, this came with a 4x4, so. So the new mini truck is missing the right sun visor, so I need to slap this on there ASAP. This right here is real light. I can't remember what this is. Came from Mississippi. I've been waiting for this. I guess it's one of those. I honestly just bought this off eBay because it looked cool, and I want to say it's from Japan because everything you can see. I'm gonna open it up right quick. Alright, so it's one of those model cars you put together. Look at all the pieces it come with. Here's half the truck. Here's it comes with the wheels, grill, some other wheels. Yeah, I'm never putting this together. I just wanted to add it to the collection. If y'all can't see, I collect Hot Wheels. I think that's just a display right here. It looks cool. Maybe one day I'll get bored. Alright, this right here I opened, but I can't remember what it is. It's been in here forever. It's the billet grill. I ordered this for my other mini truck. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna put it on or not. So these inserts right here go into the grill. Maybe I will put it on there. I actually like the way it looks. So it has the ones for the bumper and the grill. And I actually bought a steering wheel for the other mini truck, which is a Grant. I didn't go too crazy on this one. This one's probably like 60-70 bucks, and then the adapter was another like 60 bucks. So just to replace the OEM one. Alright, I want to say these are either tail lights or headlights. I can't remember which one. Yeah, these right here are the headlights. So this right here is the Pathfinder headlights. As you can see, it has this little cut in it right here on this side. I wasn't too sure which truck I want to do the Pathfinder front end on. I think I'm gonna do it on the red one, just since the other one's already painted, and I want to do 4x4 fenders if I'm gonna do the whole Pathfinder front end. And this big box right here is the grill. I'm not gonna open it right now. And I got one more box left. So I want to say these are, okay, these are the tail lights that I just put on the other mini truck, well, the second mini truck. I'm gonna have to find names for them. So I'm gonna end up putting these on the mini truck that's getting painted right now. And it came as a whole package with the corner lights and bumper lights. So I'm gonna be doing the chrome corners and the clear corners and the clear bumper lights on the second mini truck. On the red mini truck. That's all I'm gonna start saying now. But yeah, that's about it. Like I said, I've been having this stuff sitting in here for probably like over 2 weeks now. And I've been wanting to do a little unboxing video. And I still have the 15x10s over here sitting for one day. And the Momo steering wheel. And the roll pan. But yeah, here's all my Hot Wheels too. But yeah, let me get ready and head over to my dad so I can give you an update on the 454. Let's go. Alright guys, here it is with the new wheels. He put 22-inch Weld wheels, and they are staggered. He actually put an exhaust on here too and removed the cats. I'll let y'all see how it sounds in a little bit. Do y'all like it better with these wheels or the 17x11s? And he also added the 16-inch Wilwood brakes on the front. That thing looks sick. And he added coilovers. I don't know if you'll be able to see if I can zoom in. No, I can't zoom in. I'll try to turn the wheel right now. I personally like it better like this. Those 16-inch rotors just fill up the whole wheel. And he actually ordered the rear ones already, so whenever those come in, I'll update y'all. But I like the stands. He plans on going a little bit lower. The back has two 95/30s. And the front right now has two 65/30s. But he's gonna go a little bit smaller tire. But the stance on this looks sick. And he also changed the steering wheel on it because he had the matching steering wheel for the 17x11s. It's pretty windy out here. I hope y'all can hear me. But now he did this billet specialty steering wheel. I love when it's flat on the bottom like this. It gives you more room. But yeah, that's how it looks now. Let me know what y'all think. Does it look better with these wheels or the 17x11s? I think some looks sick whenever he goes lower, and with those rear brakes. Actually, let me see if I can turn the wheel. Oh, I was supposed to turn the wheel, I forgot. Alright, and this is the Flow Master you just put on it. It just gives it a little bit more. I like the way it sounds. And let me see if, oh, you can barely see it has a coil over now. But yeah, I need some rollers of this ASAP. I wish you could see the coil over a little bit more, but with it being so low already, you can only see a little bottom part of it. Let's see how it looks with the wheel turned. Damn, it looks sick. But yeah, he's gonna change the control arms on the front, put the big brakes on the back, the 16-inch from Little Shop. The front kit's already from Little Shop, so yeah, that's about it. Let's get some rollers of this thing and some B-roll.